Welcome to this guided meditation from Selfcare Karen. This meditation focuses on using the power of I am to supercharge your thinking and raise your emotional vibration to one that attracts what you want into your life. In the words of David Allen, I am is power, and I am will free you when you know what it is and how to use it. I am is who you are. I am is your center, and what you experience is what you have believed to be the truth and what you have attached to that truth. Be very careful what you attach to your I am. It has the power to limit you or free you. If you're familiar with the law of attraction, you know by now that what you focus on is where your energy flows. It becomes so much easier to attract your desires when you're in the moment, a place where good thoughts prevail. However, sometimes staying focused on the positive things in life can be challenging, and therefore we need a reminder that it's time to realign with source energy. So let's take a cross-legged position or sit in a chair or lie down. What is important here is that you're comfortable and you're somewhere where you can find space for yourself. Settle in. And before you close your eyes, let's set an intention. Take a moment to think on what it is you would like to see in your reality and how it will make you feel when you get it. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly and gradually release that breath. You are here in perfect time. It is the perfect moment for these words. So repeat after me. I am kind to myself. I am kind to myself. I am loved. I am the architect of my own good fortune. I am enough. I am releasing all that does not serve me. I am beautiful. I am worthy of happiness. I am deserving of great restorative sleep. I am capable. I am inviting peace into my life. I am courageous. I am healing my body with each deep breath. I am happy. I I am grateful for everything today has to offer and teach me. I am strong. I am attracting healthy, positive, and happy relationships into my life. I am treasured. I am focused towards my goals and ambitions. I am patient. I am worthy and deserving of having the life of my dreams. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Thanks for letting Selfcare Karen into your life. For details about how you can get your free meditation script, look at the video description. Remember, you are in perfect time. Namaste.